Finding inspiration. Aspire. Inspire. There is more than meets the eye. Take a bow. Make that vow. Come now to the province of Apayao. Engulfed in darkness, enveloped in waters, thrilling, enchanting, spine-tingling. Cascades seeping through boulders, calmness and flowing waters. Stunning, towering, eye-catching. Nature's harvest of rare and exotic ingredients. A rare experience for the curious and adventurous palate. Appetizing, inviting, mouth-watering. Still waters, sweet, charming lovers in silhouette. Stirring, captivating, awe-inspiring. Intricacies intertwined by generations of expertise. A thing of beauty in distinctive simplicity. Engaging, striking, mind-blowing. A grand welcoming drift for the undaunted spirit. A pleasing, opportune goal for the unflinching soul. Exciting, outstanding, attention-grabbing. Honor bestowed to ancestry. Homage to cultural identity. Bewitching, jaw-dropping, breathtaking. A vision beyond imagination, an impression turned inspiration. Because what the eye sees, the heart feels. Apayao. Feel free. Take pleasure in everlasting moments. Find yourself in the Cordilleras.